Come on, Ireland. Fuck's sake. Anyway, update for you retards. So, piece of ply screwed in, piece of ply screwed in. Same on this side. All right. Cable tie clips. I can add more if I need them. Same clips here, 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 with the tie in the saddle, extender tie, because one isn't long enough to get from here to here, right? We pass this through there, and we take a third tie, zip it on there, lock it in, nice and tight. Another one screwed in here, a base for the cable from our PSU, which has been stuck the fuck down with these 3M bios. And on the underside of our neck gear, gigabit, every port's a gigabit port. Massively over-spec switch. Like, for my requirements, this is overkill. But I got it on a deal for like 200 quid, reduced from about nearly 300 on Amazon Germany. What's not to like? Yeah, so the 3M big fat rubber feet, 8 of those boys. Shit him in there, strapped in, compressing the rubber feet. Nice, fucking nice. Then I'll do the IECs, 1, 2, 3, in along these clips, boom, boom, boom. The IEC from this guy will come out a hole in the rack shelf, go into this clip, be joined here by the IEC from the converter, straight up and into the firming. Yeah, we're getting somewhere. Shazam! I'm the boys here. What the boys?